Welcome to today's video on the sterling. Sterling enters a pivotal session following the Bank of England's latest rate decision today. The pair is currently trading around 1.3522 levels, holding below the April's high of 1.3595 as markets digest the outcome and await incoming US macro data. Now coming to the fundamentals, the MPC voted 8-1 to hold rates steady at 3.75%. in line with the consensus expectations, removing a key near-term uncertainty for the GBP pair. One member voted for a hike, but consistent with the hawkish dissent, flagged ahead of the decision, likely chief economist who had previously pushed back against Governor Bailey's wait-and-see messaging. The solitary hike vote signals that inflationary pressures remain a live concern within the committee, even as the majority opts for patience. The BoE continues to view the current inflation spike as transitory, with headline CPI projected to peak near 3.5 to 4% in Q3 before converging back towards the target. Coming to the Fed also held rates steady at 3.5 to 3.75% in Jerome Powell's final meeting, with officials adopting a wait-and-watch stance amid rising energy prices and food costs. Rate hike expectations have also edged higher in US. However, as persistent energy and food prices pressurize the economy and inflation risks are still on the table. The Strait of Hormuz continues to push crude prices higher, nearing $120 per barrel. But US Q1 GDP is expected at 2.3%. A softer number here could lift up GBP USD by further weakening the dollar. Now coming to the technical analysis, as you can see on the chart, the GBP USD pair broke above channel resistance at a 1.34 level ahead of the decision and signaling a higher degree corrective recovery. The pair has respected both the 50 and the 200-day EMAs as dynamic support on multiple pullback occasions, as you can see on the chart, consistently bouncing from these levels before resuming its uptrend. With the rate held now confirmed and no dovish surprises, the path of least resistance still points to higher levels. Support is solid at both the EMAs, as already mentioned. That's all for this quick video. Thank you for watching.